The next one is we have here tuple object. The use case of tuple object, we have here written multiple values from the function. We come to understand down the line what is the meaning of that use case, because we don't know as of now functions, we are not aware of it, right? We come to know that one later. But by seeing the syntax, tuple, if you want to define what kind of brackets we have to use, round brackets we have to use it. This is second data structure. We know already one data structure that is known as list, right? This is what? Second data structure. Second data structure. I already explained one data structure that is known as, what is that? List data structure will explain. Second one is tuple, we have it. If we want to define the tuple, we have to use round brackets, we have to use it. Defining tuple is very easy. Something like this, we can define it. Now we're able to see it is tuple. If I want to read the tuple, then I can say 0 means 10, we are able to get it. 0 to 2 means we are getting a 10 and 20. Is it, again, this knowledge is usable or not? Whatever we learned, the string object, reading pattern, same thing we utilized in the list, same thing we are utilizing in the tuple also. It is reusable. Then we are going for here, manipulate the tuple. If I want to change one of the item, is it allowing or not allowing? As it is not allowing, it is called as mutable or immutable? Immutable. So string is one immutable, next tuple is one immutable. Okay. Now cannot create tuple with one item. Let us try to do till here, then we move on to the next. Okay. So I want to create now one tuple, I want to create it. A is equal to, then we are writing here what type of brackets we have to use? Round brackets, we have to use it. So I am saying as 10, 20, 30. Then A is equal to, I am able to see 10, 20, 30. In A, I can use even different data types also, I can put it 10.34. Then I am saying as 1 plus 2j. Then I am saying as Python. Then I am saying as true. Okay, then I am saying as, let us say, what is this? One more list object also. If I want to introduce it, I am able to introduce it. Now inside my A, I have how many types of objects are there? Integer object, float, complex, string, boolean, list also I have it. You can keep whatever you want, you can keep it. Even if you want to add one tuple inside the tuple, if you can go and you can do that one. Suppose 100, 200, you want to add it. You can go and you can add it. Now we'll able to see a tuple can hold another tuple also. A list can hold another list, right? Previously we saw nested list. Similarly, here also we can have anything. We can have anything. Tell me now, if I want to print, let us say, H, I want to print it. Can you please help me out how I can print H? First, H is available as part of Python, right? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So, I can write here A, 3 means we're able to get here, what you're getting? Python. Within the Python, I want H. What is the H position again? 0, 1, 2, then what? So again I can write here 3, then we are able to see what you are seeing? H. Similarly, can you please help me out? Please help me out. I want, let us say 200, I want it. 200, you know, here it is available 200. Yes, tell me how I can do that. A minus 1 means we are able to get the last object whatever available. The last object is, we are seeing 100 and 200 is tuple object, that we are getting. On top of it, again I want this 200, right? Then what I can write it? Yeah, plus 1 you can write, or you can write minus 1 you can write. Then we are able to see 200, we are able to see it. Very easy to read it. Very easy to read it. Everything is reusable. Whatever we learn the string, same thing we are reusing here. Nothing new learning. Okay, now if I ask here what is the type of A, it's showing as what type of object it is. It's a tuple object, whatever we are seeing it. Now, if I am trying to change here some value, for example, I have 10. I want to replace 10 item with 11. I want to replace 10 item with 11. So tell me, if I want to read the 10, how I can read it first? 0. This one I want to replace with 11, so I am writing like this. Is it allowing or it's throwing error? It's throwing error by saying tuple object does not support item assignment. So tuple is a mutable or immutable? Tuple object is immutable. Tuple object is what? Immutable. That's what we need to understand. Next is, I want to show you some interesting thing. Let us say A is equal to 10, 20, 30. I am writing it. Now I am going for here ID of A. ID of A. Now I am trying to write here whatever A is available plus 40. I am writing it. A plus 40. I am writing it. What happened here? Can only concatenate tuple, not integer to tuple. Okay. So I am trying to introduce here tuple only. A is tuple only now. 40 also tuple only. Then I am trying to introduce it. Suppose 40 comma 50 I am taking it. Then tell me now, is it added or not? It's added. This result, whatever I have it, A is equal to, if I see, A is equal to still 10, 20, 30 only. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 we added here. Suppose I am trying to write here, overriding this value like this. Overriding this value like this. Now if you see A is equal to what you are seeing, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If I want to extend the tuple, I have the option. I can extend it. However, the problem is here, what is the idea of A? Is it same or it's different? It is different because it is immutable. We cannot change the things in the same memory location. We cannot override the same memory location. If we try to extend or if we try to do something, internal mechanism is that memory will be removed, separate memory will be created. That is the difference between list and tuple. List is the same memory location we are playing around it. In case of tuple, if you want to play around it, it's creating what? Separate memory location. Not only tuple, any immutable property, even if string also. Even in case of string also, if you want to override it, you can override it entire object. That means nothing but that memory location will be removed and separate memory location will be created. Any immutable property. Okay. I think we are good with this. We understand how to define the tuple, how to read the tuple, how to manipulate the tuple if you want really. We know now, right? Inside the tuple, whatever you want, you can keep it. Any type of things you can go on, you can keep it. Tuple and list behavior is same. Only couple of things are changing. What is that? Mutable and immutable property is the one other thing which is major change. Apart from that one, tuple and list both are same. Okay, please practice this one.